Hello YouTube and welcome to Indian Asphalt. Today in this video I'll show you guys how you can improve the sound of your bike by doing some small modification with your air filter. So let's get started. So first of all I would like to tell you that this modification can be done to almost every bike of this segment which is having this type of air filter like this Pulsar 180, Pulsar 150, 135, 220s and Pulsar 200 NS. You cannot do this modification with the Pulsar RS 200 because its airbox is almost inaccessible, so it's really a pain to get to the air filter and do this modification. So first of all we have to open up this side panel and then remove both of our seats. There you go. Yeah. So here you can see that this black box here, it's the air filter, and what we have to do is that we have to just take out this rubber piece out. You can see it's completely hollow, just a funnel. So what basically it does is that it channels the air in a curved form rather than sucking the air directly into the chamber. Now once you remove the rubber funnel from your bike, make sure to keep it somewhere safe, either inside your bike or at home, but do not lose it as it may come in handy in future. The second thing that you should always remember is that do not remove the seats while you are washing your bike, because the water will go directly inside the air filter and will make your bike to stall or decelerate while you are trying to run it. So that was all about the modification. Now let's hear the result, what difference it makes than the normal one. Now as you can hear, the sound was more roaring than the stock one, so I'll make a separate video in which I'll run the bike with this rubber funnel and without this rubber funnel, so you can hear the real difference that it makes. Now once you do this modification, you might wanna retune your engine's carburetor in case your bike dies on idling. I didn't have to do any retuning because my bike was running fine. I was getting pretty much the same acceleration and mileage as I was getting before. Now we as bikers, when we talk about changing the sound of our bike, the first thing that comes in our mind is that changing the whole exhaust system of our bike, and I personally didn't wanted to do that because it costs way much high, and I personally don't like the sound of aftermarket exhaust systems that are available for these bikes. The second way that you can improve the sound of your bike is that by replacing the stock air filter with a conical one like the K&Ns, and I'll be making a separate video about the K&Ns in a few days, and I'll share my personal experience what I had, so stay tuned. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Ride safe, do wear your helmets and safety gears. This is Indian Asphalt signing out.